Good morning, guys. Anyway, it's Monday, almost time to go back to work, and I'm not gonna make up any plan. I'm just gonna do whatever I can do. Kasi naaasar ako, hindi naman natutuloy yung mga dapat kong gawin. I mean, I already know what I wanna do, but I don't know if I can do it. Maybe I can do it some today, maybe I can do it maybe next week or whatever. But today is chores day, laundry day. Yeah. Laundry day, don't mind my mess, okay? Anyway, yeah, ngayon, ang balak ko, may order kasi akong mamon. So, kailangan ko siyang gawin today. And then, kung may oras pa, gusto ko rin magluto ng Bicol Express. Kasi 'di ba dapat gagawin ko siya nung Friday ba yun o Saturday. But I realize it's Holy Week. So, yeah, hindi ko siya niluto. Nagtatry na stay away from meat. Nagtatry. Pero, yeah, ngayon, ang bala ko, mag-keep up ng laundry, magluluto ng muffin kasi may dalawa akong order. And then, who knows what I can do next. Ganito yung sabon dito sa amin, guys. Yan. Ano siya? Ang tawag dito, pads. So, I'm gonna put 4. Tapos, ito, yung pampabango. May liquid din. Yeah. May liquid din dito, yung Doni. But, I tried this one. Yeah. Para mabango. Kahit pinapawisan tayo sa trabaho, yung damit natin, mabango pa rin. Haluan natin ng ganito. Same thing, same product, it's just different, ibang amoy. See, dito, ang kagandahan, hindi ka na maglalabas sa kamay. At saka mura lang yung tubig, mura lang din yung ilaw. Kasi the dryer, hindi naman kami nagsasampay sa labas. Sa Pilipinas, masarap dahil meron din tayong mga mabibilhang dryer or washer like that. Ang problema natin sa Pilipinas, yung electric bills. Yeah, kasi nung umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, grabe yung konsumo ng electric. So, oo nga, ma-afford mo. You're gonna try to afford those air condition, yung AC. Try mo ma-afford yung dryer pag tag-ulan, para meron kang magamit na damit, pero papatayin ka naman sa electric bill. Ngayon, naisalang ko na yung aking clothes. Habang naglalaba, magagawa naman ako ng aking mamon. So, let's go. Ayan, naisalang ko na yung aking mga labahan. I already washed my hand. My hands is nice and clean. And today, gagawa tayo ng mamon. Meron tayong 2 order of mamon. See? Akala nyo, porket na sa Amerika, hindi nagsa-side job, you know? So, yeah, I think nasa tao din you guys. Kasi alam nyo ba, since when I was little girl, mahilig talaga ako magbenta-benta. Naglalako ako nung, anong tawag no, yung dahon ng kamote. Bit ko yun, kamote! Yeah, so hilig ko na talaga rin magbenta-benta kahit nung maliit pa ako. Tapos, nang nag-move ako dito, mahilig ako magluto-luto, mag-bake-bake. Tapos, pag nagugustuhan ng mga kapwa nating Pilipina, nag-o-order sila. So, napag-isip-isip ko, okay, kung gusto nyo, di gagawan ko kayo, tas bibili sila, which is willing naman sila. So, today, ang gagawin natin is mamon. And like I said, we have 2 orders of mamon. At, syempre, itlog. Ewan ko ano ang nangyari pa rin sa sa itlog. But dito sa Amerika, ginto pa rin ang itlog. Itong dozen and a half, it cost me like almost $6. 5 something, ilang penny na lang, $6 na siya. Tapos, syempre, meron tayong mamon mold yan. Galing pa yan ng Pilipinas. Tapos, guys, like I told you guys before, I applied for I'm qualified to be part of affiliate program. So most of the time, I order my product to Amazon. So if you guys want to get the product exactly the same way I show it to you guys, like for example, this one. Yeah. Ito yung ibabalot ko sa sa mamon. Mamaya makikita na lang ninyo. And I got this one to Amazon, and I will put the link in my description below. Click it. Yeah, click it so it will help me out for my YouTube. Diba? Tulungan tayo. And then, yeah guys, napansin ko nga pala, if you go to my link, to my description, and click the link, to be able to buy this one, I think mag-a-apply ka doon din. Yeah, pag-click mo yon, tapos wala ka pang yung mga account or password like that, i-click mo siya, tapos mag-try kang mag-sign in. Napakadali lang guys, napaka-easy. Kasi, tinry ko siya today, curious lang ako. Kasi akala ko, i-match ko yung nasa Amazon kong account, akala ko i-match ko yung nasa YouTube affiliate program ko through Amazon. Kasi nga sa Amazon ko sila binibili, dun nakalink yung mga products sa Amazon. So anyway, I did try that one today kasi nga curious ang lola ninyo. And then, I don't have to put the same account dun sa Amazon apps ko. So, tinanong lang ako doon, sabi put your first and last name, and then, tinanong ka na yung password mo. Yung password ko, ibang password doon sa apps ng Amazon mismo. Kung meron na kayo nung account na yon, and then nanood kayo ng ibang mga vloggers, then you can use the same account. I think so. Kasi isang account, I think you can use in different vloggers doon sa YouTube. Anyway, syempre, pa-special tayo, di ba? Kasi naman nakaka-cute din. Oh. This is stickers, guys. Yan, stickers. Yan. Pag binalot ko na yung yung mamon sa plastic, this plastic, ayan, ito ang pandidikit ko. Ngayon, ang ididikit ko itong iba-ibang kulay kasi nga spring, may blue, may pink. Itong black, not today. Ito ang gagamitin natin. And of course, if you guys want exactly like this, I will put the link in my description below. And there's so many options, guys. Hindi lang ito. Maraming iba-ibang kulay, maraming design. And this one, guys, is 2 inches. 2 inches yung laki ng bilog niya. Wide, 2 inches. Tapos, ito, guys, I'm just gonna use the coffee filter. Kasi naka-ano na siya. What do you call this one? Naka-mold na siya ng ganyan. So, I'm gonna use it. And then, I will put the link again in my description below. Then, I'm gonna use the cake mix, powder, sugar, and vanilla. So, that's it. And I will show you some of my, how I make my own mamon here in America. Anyway, meron pala akong isi-share sa inyo, guys. May isi-share ako sa inyo. Di ba, ang mamon dapat meron siyang cheese. Siyempre, yun ang nakakapasarap dun, di ba? Like sweet and salty. Ngayon, dahil wala akong Eden cheese dito, ang ginagamit ko dito sa Amerika, I call it LOL or Lan O Lake. Yes. Yun ang sinasubstitute ko sa Eden cheese. Lan O Lake American cheese. Kasi guys, ano siya, para sa akin, It kind of similar to Eden cheese. Pero yung Lan Oleg brand dito sa Amerika, medyo firm. Yeah, kasi yung Eden cheese sa Pilipinas, di ba, malambot siya. Yung Lan Oleg, medyo firm. Kaya pag kinayod mo siya, okay siya. Ang importante doon, yung lasa, yung linamnam. Yeah, I try my best to find a product here in US na similar sa Filipino product para hindi na ako pupunta sa Oriental store. At saka alam nyo naman, 'di ba? Kapag yung mga product na binibili natin like Filipino food, Filipino product export 'yon. So ano ina-expect mo? Syempre double the price, 'di ba? Yan ang mahirap. Export. Everything export, it means double or triple the price. So, if you can find any similarity, bakit hindi? Kaya sinishare ko sa inyo. Kung halimbawa na gusto ninyong mag-bake ng mga pagkain na Filipino food, and then wala naman dito sa Amerika, I share with you guys my experience at saka kung ano yung sa tingin ko. And it's up to you if you wanna try or not. But like I said, ang substitute ko sa Eden cheese is Lan Oleg American cheese. Gagawa na tayo guys ng ating sponge. I'm separating the white egg to the yellow yolk. Yellow yolk. Napapansin nyo guys sa mga video ko, palagi akong bulol. Ang hirap palang maging newscaster. Kailangan magaling kang mag-isip. Yung pagsasalita mo, kailangan pulido. Separate ko na yung yellow. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then I already separate the white one. There. Then, let's put that aside. And then, let's whisk this. I mean, everybody had different way how to do their baking stuff. Siyempre, kung saan ka komportable, di ba? At kung saan mas mabilis yung kilos mo, di doon ka. Anyway, meron pala ako ritong scoop. Ako, nilalagay ko na yung asukal ko sa itlog. Ganyan ako. Yan. Nilalagay ko na siya dito. Hahaluin natin. Kailangan malakas ang ating maso. Yan. Okay. And then, ilalagay na natin yung vanilla. Ilang beses, bubulo na naman ako. Ilang beses ko na itong ginagawa, guys, paulit-ulit. So, medyo memorize ko na yung kanyang timplada. So, hindi ko na kailangan pa anuhin yung yung aking recipe. Kasi I already memorized it. You have to beat the butter, the sugar, and the yellow oat till it get pale. O, diba? Yung kaibigan ko guys sa Pilipina, yung asawa niya is American. Ngayon, nag-order siya nito dahil namimiss nga daw niya yung mamon. Yung ala Jollibee, ala Goldilocks na mamon. So anyway, kasi nagustuhan nila nung gumawa ko. Dinala ko sa mga party, ganyan. Tapos kung minsan gumagawa ko, sinishare ko sa kanila para, di ba, malaman muna nila yung lasa bago sila mag-order. Hinihingal ako, guys. Anyway, ayan, pale na siya. So anyway, balik tayo sa istorya. Yung asawa niya, Amerikano, di ba? Tapos, tinikman to. Alam mo yung ginagawa, guys? Nilalagyan niya ng konting lemon. Sprinkle a little bit of lemon. It tastes daw ng lemon cake. O, di ba? Kanya-kanya tayo ng ng trip sa buhay. Kung saan masaya, go, go, go. Anyway, ilalagay na natin yung minix kong 2% milk and the oil. Ito na siya, guys. Na-mix ko na. Okay, and then, what we gonna do next, ang laki ng ano ko, guys, ng whisk. Ilalagay na natin yung ating cake flour. Alright. Habang nilalagay natin, syempre, hahaluin natin para hindi daw magbubuo. Some people, inaano pa, ini-strain. For me, no. I don't see much differences. For me, it works the way if you're gonna sift it and not, for me, it's the same. Just patiently mixing it. Yeah, paglagay mo, i-mix mo. Ayan guys, natapos ko nang i-mix yung ating butter. Ayan siya, oh. Itong ang butter na to, guys, this is only for one order, okay? Only one order. Yan. Ngayon, I'm not really kind of worried kung halimbawang hindi ko naman siya ma-overmix. Kasi ang ginagawa ko, guys, after I make a meringue, i-mix ko ulit siya itong butter. Yeah. Pero unahin ko muna yung meringue kasi ayoko maghugas. Hugas-hugas ng hugas, o, diba? Ayan ang pinakalas ko. So, isi-set aside ko muna to. And ito, again, pupunasan natin yung mga kalat para hindi makalat yung lamesa. So, ito na yung ating meringue. Ito ang ating cream of tartar. And like I said, I've been doing this for many time. Hindi na ako nagme-measure. Pero kung gusto niyo malaman yung measurement ko, di mag-comment kayo, di ba? Bumubula-bula na siya, and then ilalagay na natin yung sugar, dahan-dahan. Ayan. I-continue lang natin yung beat hanggang maging foamy. By the way, guys, if you guys interested for this hand mixer, again, I will put the link down there in my description below. Kasi, binili ko uli siya sa Amazon. Wow. Yeah. And I can tell you that this product is really good. I will give it an A+. Yeah. Very strong, very sturdy. And then I have 9 speed. I love it. I love this product, guys. Okay. Tapos na siya, guys. Stiff na siya. See? Hindi siya nahuhulog. Okay na. Perfect na yung ating meringue. At ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, kanina. O, tapos na. Kaya i-beat ko naman yung butter. I mean, it's not necessarily, but this is how I do it. Kesa naman yung pagod akong gamitin yung aking whisk, ganon-ganon. Kahalo-halo. So, I use my whisk, my hand mixer to mix it more para talagang blend na blend yung sugar. And I don't think it hurts. In my opinion, it won't hurt the sponge cake kapag ginaganito ko to. I don't think it's a big deal. Ayan, satisfied na ako sa ano niya, sa halo. Ngayon, paghahaluin naman natin yung ating meringue. And then malagkit, kaya gagamitin ko na naman yung aking basang towel. Then hahaluin na natin. First, I grab a few in the middle. I put hole in the middle. And then I put over here in my butter para mag-ano siya, loosen up a little bit. Para mag-liquid, diba, yung butter natin. Again, like I said, iba-iba tayo ng style, ng technique, the proper way By the way, guys, I didn't go to school for this. I just really love baking. Yeah. And then I watch some of the YouTube, how they make the sponge cake. And then, minsan may dinadagdag na lang ako ng konti para makuha ko yung lasa na hinahanap ko. Does that make sense? So yeah, I didn't go to school for this. I just watch the YouTube, yung mga baking vloggers. Ayan, nanonood lang ako sa kanila, pinapanood ko lang. Tapos, kuminsan, yung hinahanap kong flavor, hindi nakukuha. Tapos, may dinadagdag na lang ako. I mean, I watch more than one video anyway. More than one vloggers. Kasi nga, di ba, iba-ibang vloggers, iba-iba yung mga technique nila. So anyway, ito medyo loose na siya. Ito yung ating merengue. Ihuhulog ko na siya lahat. Ayan. It's not really hard to make, I guess, guys, kung talagang hilig mong magluto-luto, mag-bake. Kasi alam ko naman talaga na nasa hilig din yan. Nasa hobby rin ng tao. Kung hilig mong mag-bake, hilig mong magluto, mahilig ka sa sports, you know. So, nasa tao din. Ako talaga, when I was young, hilig ko talaga. I mean, when I was a kid, hindi ako nagbi-bake dahil wala naman kaming pang-bake, di ba? Mahirap lang naman kami. Pero, nagluluto-luto na ako. Nagbebenta-benta na ako, ganun. Sa school, nagbebenta ako ng aratilis. Umaakit ako sa puno ng duhat. Tapos, binebenta ko sa mga kaklase ko. So, maliit pa lang ako, nagbebenta-benta na ako. Anyway, let me show you guys yung itsura ng butter. Yung itsura ng butter ngayon, foamy na siya, and you have to mix it by folding. They call this folding method. Yan. Kaya kita mo, hindi na siya yung butter na heavy, medyo foamy, light, and fluffy. Ayan. Yan yung purpose ng meringue or merengue, whatever you call it. Yeah. By the way, guys, now we are ready to put our mamon butter to the mold. And I apologize if I forgot or for some reason my mic it was turned off. Ngayon, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating coffee filter. Yan ang gagamitin natin today. Anyway, as you guys can see, parehas yan ng size, but if you guys notice, my Mammon molder is more bigger compared to the coffee filter. So all you have to do, just put your hand to it and trying to compress like this one, guys. See, this is what I'm talking about. As you guys can see, the mold is wider compared to the coffee filter. So this is what you're gonna do. Just put your hand to it and try to compress para they will shape like the mamon mold. And now let's put our mamon butter to each molder. By the way, guys, as you guys can see, I tried to mix it a little bit so the butter so they're all blended. And I have a spoon and a 1 cup of measurement so they're all the same size. Again, guys, please forgive me for forgetting to turn on my mic. I don't know what just happened. Finally, now we are done. We are going to bake our mamon to 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Our mamon is ready to put some butter. So as you guys can see, they all the same size. Anyway, I just use a 1 stick of butter and sugar and use my hand mixer and blend it. And now we're gonna put our mixed butter and sugar each of our mamon. As you guys can see, I did 3 mamon first, and then I'm gonna show it to you guys how I do it, preparing and wrapping each of it. So Right now, as you guys can see, I'm trying to take it out or remove the paper slowly para yung shape niya is still the same. And then when you get done doing that, we're gonna use our cheese. And like I said, I use Land Oleg brand here in States because we don't have any Filipino Eden cheese here. And like I said, this product, it stays the same. For me, it stays the same or similar to Eden cheese, a Filipino cheese, Eden cheese. It's just a little bit firm. And there you go, guys. It looks so nice and pretty. And by the way, if you guys are interested again to this plastic wrapper, I will put the link in my description. And if you guys want to buy it, all you're going to do, just go down there and click it, and it will put you straight to the store where I bought the product. And here you go, guys. We're going to start wrapping it. By the way, I wash my hand. Don't worry, I always wash my hand. And as you guys can see, I start wrapping our mamon. It's a little bit struggle. I mean, you can find the easy way for you guys, but for me, this is the easy way. As you guys can see, struggle is real. Anyway, we finally made it. We got one done. And again, guys, if you guys want to buy this sticker, again, I will put the link in my description. And we finally got one. Yay! Anyway, guys, natapos na rin ako sa aking 2 orders. Actually, I just recorded again because in the beginning, I was keep talking and recording it. I didn't know that my mic was off. Kaya salita ako ng salita, naka-off pala. Just mio. So I have to start again. But anyway, natapos ko na yung aking 2 orders. And then meron ako ditong isang sample. Itatry natin. Syempre, pwede ba yun? Makikita nyo may bite na siya. Kasi nga, nag-record na ako kanina. Hindi ko alam, naka-off pala itong aking mic. Daldalan lola ninyo. Hindi pala nag-work. But anyway, coming closer, I'm gonna show you guys how good it is. Yan! You guys are closer. Anyway, let me show you guys. See? So cheesy. Ang sarap-sarap. Anyway, may konti na siyang bite. Kasi nga kanina, hindi na ako makahintay, kinain ko na. Habang nagbibideo ako. Kaya lang, I didn't know that my mic is not working. Ang lola ninyo, dal-dal, di naman pala nare-record yung voice ko. But anyway, this recipe is really, really good. I mean, talagang nag-work hard akong hanapin tong recipe na to kasi gusto ko yung ala Goldilocks daw ang okay. Hindi lang ako ang nagsabi niyan ha. Yung mga Pilipino o Pilipina na nag-order din sa akin itong mga mamon, sila mismo yung nagsabi na malasa siya para daw siyang Goldilocks ang lasa. So I'm not the only one, okay? Hindi kasi dito sa Amerika, meron tinatawag na angel sponge cake, pero hindi siya lasang eggnog. Na, alam niyo yun, yung lasa ng mamon sa Goldilocks, hindi. Pero ito guys, nakuha ko siya, na perfect ko siya. Kaya kahit mahalang itlog, pinapatulan nilang bilhin. But anyway, kulang na lang dito ay kape. Kain tayo. This is one of my favorite. Sarap. Huwag na natin kutsarain. Kamayin na lang natin. Soft. Salty dahil dun nga sa niya, sa cheese. Promise guys, lasa talaga siyang Goldilocks. Ikaw naman. By the way, if you guys are, baka meron pa akong cheese. If you guys are interested to buy this wrapper, this white wrapper and the sticker, all you have to do, just go to my description I will put the link in there. All you have to do, just click it, and it direct you to the store where I got all the product. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are not subscribed yet, why you waiting for? Mag-subscribe ka na. Thank you ulit for supporting my channel. Kain po tayo.